The first night we met, I've dreamt to this day, to stand in front of you with our friends and family to proclaim our love for one another. I have played this day over and over in my head, but nothing can compare to living this moment. I mean, wow. You're beautiful, you're an amazing person, and you brighten up my day. And I cannot imagine spending my life without you.
Even before we began dating, there was always something special about you that made me feel something different than anything I've ever felt before. I am so thankful for your patience and persistence with me then and now. I know it wasn't easy, but you tore down my walls. You showed me that it is okay to be open and vulnerable. You've opened my heart and taught me how to fully and entirely love.
I want you to know I won't let you go. Give me your heart and soul. We'll never let this love grow cold.
Dear family and friends, we have gathered to celebrate one of life's most significant events, the joining of two lives into one, the celebration of marriage. Shawn and Taylor are grateful for your presence here today, for your support on this very important day in their lives. They believe that God has led them to one another as part of His wonderful plan for their lives. It is their desire to affirm their vows to one another before God in your presence.
I want you to know I won't let you go. Give me your heart and soul. We'll never let this love grow cold. I want you to know I won't let you go. Give me your heart and soul. We'll never let this love grow cold. We'll never let this love grow cold.
You're my best friend, you're my teammate, my soulmate, and you're my lobster. You're the only person that I want to binge watch Game of Thrones with, or continuously laugh with reruns of The Office and Friends. I can always count on you to liven up the room, and you always know how to put a smile on my face.
I vow to show you the same tender love that you have shown me right from the beginning. I vow to always be there for you through your hardships, struggles, and your pains. I know that there are mountains and valleys to every marriage, but I promise to always look towards God in those moments. I vow to always be your best friend. I envision us joking, laughing, holding hands, kissing foreheads, and smacking butts until our last day.
My promise to you is to always cherish our moments together and to never take you or our marriage for granted. I vow to serve you every day as your husband, and when the time comes, I vow to serve our family.
You are the love of my life, the man of my dreams, my person, and my lobster. You are the most selfless, loving, and kind person that I have ever known. I cannot promise that I will always be able to uphold all of these promises and vows to perfection, but I can promise I will try my absolute best to be the loving, serving, and caring wife that you deserve.
Two worlds collide with our hearts on the line. We were young and naive. We were wild, we were free. And I don't wanna leave your arms tonight. I'm still falling for you. I just wanna stay here by your side. I'm falling, still falling for you. Our time has come. Every song
love you with all of my heart. I vow to support you in every endeavor from now until the end of my days. No matter what life throws at us, you will always have me in your corner. God has blessed us with such an amazing opportunity, and I am so overwhelmed with joy for us to begin this new chapter of our lives together. I love you.